Hi guys, welcome back to my channel in Padhoge to Badhoge. So we are in continuation of day 5 where we are doing partnership questions and answer. So these are things which we need to remember while we are doing the partnership question. Profit into share into investment into size. Investment into time is profit ratio. Always we should remember profit share is investment into time. Multiply each time, okay, we have told earlier. Simplify and divide, you get the answer. So these all make things in a good partnership, solving an answer in a shortcut method, and you'll learn these all tricks in further question and answers. So our question: ABC invested in the ratio of 5:4:3. At the end of the year, the profit was 96,000. How much profit does A receive than C? In maths, you need to read the question twice, thrice, and all. Then start solving. Okay. Ratio we have given, profit we have given. We have to define we have to take out the answer. How much profit does A receive than C? Means C has received, then A. Okay. So we need to solve this. Step 1 is that we will take out the ratio difference. 5:4:3. Okay. If the ratio 5 minus 3 is 12. And what is the total ratio? 5 plus 4, 3 is 12. So total ratio was 12. So step 2 is, what is the difference? 2 by 12 into profit received is 96,000. 12 8 is 96, 8 2 is 16. 16,000. So A received and C is 16,000 answer. Such a complicated question, okay, I have read thrice in the beginning. Question we read, understood, and in 2 steps we have done that answer, A and B, okay. So this is what I've been telling. Practice, and step by step and formula. Our next question is, ABC invested in the ratio of 2:3:5, okay. The total profit is 60,000. If C gives 2,000 to A after distribution, okay, C has received that some amount, and in that he gives 2,000 to A after distribution. How much did C receive? So we have to take out C's answer. Step 1 is ratio. What is the ratio? 2:3:5. Total 10. What is C share? What will be C share? Okay, the profit is 60,000. Means A, B, C and has received 60,000 profit. So 5 by 10 into 60,000. Okay, 60,000. So C share is 30,000. Now in that C gives 2,000 rupees. Okay, so 2,000. Therefore 30,000 minus 2,000 is equal to 28,000 answer. So what is this? Very complicated question and very simple answer. Shortcut practice. Okay. So this is my day 5 continued, and I'll close this and I'll move on to day 6 with some additional topic. I'll prepare the topic and come into the next session. Do like my channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.